If you value privacy on your phone, or if you use your phone a lot on public hotspots and public Wi-Fi and you want to protect your data, then you need a VPN. And the most reliable VPNs you can get are the ones you pay for. There are free ones, but they can be hit or miss. And even then, you're routing your traffic through someone's private server and they could be tracking your stuff. A paid for VPN like NordVPN, which we see right here, their business is to protect your data. So these guys are among the most reliable. There's a link in the description down below to take you to this page. There's almost always a deal for signing up with NordVPN, and they're really not that expensive. If you go to the pricing page and we go for the 2-year plan, the basic is only $4.39 a month. It gets super expensive, well, relative to that. If you go monthly, it's 19 Canadian a month, which is like $1 American. But for the 2-year plan, it's really reasonable. And this will protect your data. It'll protect your privacy. Once you have clicked the link in the description down below, created an account, you can then go into the App Store on your iPhone, download the NordVPN app, enter your account details, and it'll be completely configured for you. You just tap a toggle saying turn it on, and then all your traffic is routed through NordVPN. So if you want to protect your privacy and protect your data, check out a VPN. It doesn't have to be Nord. Nord is just one that I know has a great reputation and works really well. So click the link in the description down below to check it out. And after you have your VPN set up, you probably want to make sure that the phone itself isn't tracking you and sending that data to Apple, which a VPN doesn't stop. Check out this video if you want to protect your privacy even further. And if you get value from my channel, consider joining as a member. Tap the join button down below to see what the perks are and see how it works. I appreciate you checking that out. And if you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.